Hi there! Welcome to my tutorial how to design a mobile wallet app cryptocurrency wallet using Photoshop. My name is Olga Bahaeva and I'm UX UI designer. What is this tutorial about? This tutorial will go through the process of creating a mobile wallet app design using Photoshop. The main task is to create functionality including onboarding, exchange, and profile screens. The general UX will be the base for creating concept app design. So what do you need for this tutorial to be successful? You need to know the basics of Photoshop, knowledge about UX UI design, and wireframes. Let's review our sessions. During our first session, we are going to build onboarding wireframes, including Next, Splash, Start, Walkthrough, New Wallet, Create Pin, Check Your Inbox. The second session includes Next Screens, Dashboard, Menu Hover, Send, Transactions, and Request. The third session includes Menu Screens wireframes with Next functionality, Exchange pop-up, Backup fonts, Addresses, Login into Web Wallet, Settings. The fourth session will be about design stage and we are going to translate our onboarding functionality into design including Next, Splash, Start, Walkthrough, New Wallet, Create Pin, Check Your Inbox. The fifth session is going to be about main screen design, Dashboard, Menu Hover, Send, Transactions, Request. During our last session, we are going to translate menu screens into design stage with Next functionality, Exchange pop-up, Backup fonts, Addresses, Login into Web Wallet, and Settings. Join tutorial. I hope to see you on my all sessions and learn new knowledges. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day. Bye bye.